the very first thing is we talked about all that challenges like silos and a lot of other things, right? How do we kind of unify all the data in a kind of one kind of a hub, right? That's the very first step you want to think about when you think about this AI transformation, right? So as soon as you have your data in a unified kind of ecosystem, right? The next step will be, like most of the data engineers, data scientists, they all spend a lot of time on prepping or cleaning your data, right? So when you think about kind of prepping and cleaning and kind of getting your data ready, that's your step two, before you even start building your LLM applications. Because whenever you use any AI technology or LLM, we all know like AI is as good as kind of your data foundation, right? So the idea here is, as soon as the data engineers, data scientists spending a lot of time prepping and cleaning the data and getting this data ready for kind of your next set of AI applications, right? And once you have that, right, then the next phase is like you really build kind of a AI applications or LLM or copilots, AI agents, whatever you name it, right? All of that thing will start after you have the right data and your environment is ready. Now, one of the couple of things not called out in this slide, but I already highlighted, right? The other thing is, in addition to this, you also going to do the readiness assessment of your entire data landscape, right? For example, I'll just quickly call out like let's say you have a SharePoint, right? So whether all the data is really labeled, right, with correct or with the right taxonomy within your organization, right? So because the Copilot or other ecosystem or any AI applications will honor that security, right? So in addition to this kind of a data side, you will follow the other assessment too, right? And if you look at on the step one, that's where Microsoft Fabric, like OneLake, gonna help you kind of, I would say OneLake is your end-to-end multi-cloud kind of a lake where you land all of the data, no matter where it is, like whether it's in a different clouds, but all of the data you integrate and kind of merge here in the OneLake platform, right? It's kind of a OneDrive of kind of a data, actually, the way you do the OneDrive. And within the Microsoft Fabric ecosystem, you have other kind of a tool set, right, which will help you from a data pipelines or data engineering or kind of those aspects, whether you are coming from a SQL skill set, you are coming from a Spark or whatever skill set, right, all of that you can do within the step two. And then on step three, Fabric is heavily integrated with other AI technologies within the Microsoft ecosystem. It could be Azure AI kind of a foundry and other kind of a technology stack, right? So Fabric will be your knowledge base. If I talk about a little bit about agentic architecture, so Fabric will be your knowledge base, one of the knowledge base, I would say, right, when you are designing your kind of AI agents or copilots.